Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Homestead with Joe. How y'all are? This is Tuesday, July 28th. I'm down here in the classroom at the public library doing interviews, trying to hire somebody and waiting around on people that, you schedule 6 interviews and you hope that 2 show up. I don't know what it is. Nobody wants to work anymore. It's just, it seems like since COVID, nobody wants a job. And if they do want a job, they want to start out at $20 an hour, or they don't even want to talk to you. I worked 47 years. When I retired, I wasn't making $20 an hour. And now they have to make $20 an hour, and they're living at home with mom and dad, probably in their same bedroom that they grew up in, But what are you going to do? Hopefully I can find someone. But that's not what I came here to talk about. So what I wanted to discuss today is YouTube revenue, and the lack of YouTube revenue, and the people begging for you to replace the revenue that they're losing. YouTube is down for everybody, for me and everybody I know. It's just the nature of things. And it's not unexpected by me. I am not getting near the views I used to, near the revenue I used to, near anything like I used to. And most everybody I know that's doing YouTube videos is suffering the same thing. That's what it's oversaturated. You get hundreds of thousands of new videos every day put up, new channels formed every day. There's too much going on. So I knew it 10 years ago, 12 years ago, well, it eventually was going to turn into this. My biggest complaint are these channels now, and it seems to be a lot of channels are heading this way, are asking for donations to help support the channel. I need X number of super chats during my live streams to help support the channel. Everything is help support the channel. Let me tell you about that. These other channels, maybe they're different from mine, but mine at least cost me nothing. I don't have to pay to put anything up here. So the only support that I would ask on my channel is watch my videos, comment, and leave a thumbs up or a thumbs down, something like that. That supports the channel, not money. What does money support? The channel owner. Rather than say, send some money to support me, they say, send some money to support this channel. Like, they're obligating you to support the channel. If you're watching the channel, you should pay for it. That's the way they start making it sound. And truth be told, do a super chat, send me some money, whatever, to support my chosen lifestyle. That's what I need the money for. That's the truth about it. I'm not making nearly as much money as I was on YouTube, so I have to work a job to buy the stuff I need to finish my projects at St. Bernard Acres. Working the job slows down my progress. Yes, it does. But you know what? I'm able to buy a lot of stuff. Then I can quit this part-time job, work out there, get everything done needs to get done, and if I need more, I can get another part-time job. I am not going to beg for money, and that's what I think of it as. I would love nothing more than to live in my cabin out there and make 2 or 3 videos a day and do 4 or 5 live streams a week and just ask for donations. You know, I would love to be able to do that, but you know what? My pride and my dignity will not allow me to do that. Right? I do have some subscribers that send, do super chats to the Dr. Pepper Fund, because you all know I love my Dr. Pepper, and that's great, and I really appreciate it, but it's never expected. It is truly appreciated, though. To me, it's one step below starting a GoFundMe account for a project. That became a thing a few years ago. I did a video called the No Fund Me Homestead, but it's like I need a well out there at the property. I don't have the money to put in, a well. I will save the money. When I sell my house here, I'll have the money to put a well in, but I will do what I'm doing now. I'm going to be fine. I don't have to have it, but I would never set up a GoFundMe account to put a well in. I would never set up a thing on a live stream. Okay, I need 5 super chats. I want $10 from each one tonight because I got a project I got to get done, and you can donate to the project. No, you're donating to somebody's chosen lifestyle. He wants to sit at home all day long, or she wants to sit there and make a 10-minute video every day. And woe is me, YouTube's playing games on my channel. They're not playing games. It's so bad now for everybody. So I just don't think it's fair of channels to ask that. If they're not willing to go out and work and make the money, then don't beg for it. And that's the way I feel. It's like I get gifts. People send gifts to me and to my dogs and everything. If they send a gift and they say, hey, why don't you can do a video about this and everything. And sometimes it's a channel owner, and I will bring up their channel and I'll talk about their channel, and that could be good for them. But if I don't get something and somebody says, go ahead and make a video about this, I don't do it, because I don't want people who they're not in a position to send me gifts. I don't want those people to feel bad, or I don't want people to feel obligated that they have to send gifts. Gifts are fun and I appreciate them, but I don't, I'm not asking for anything. I'm not asking for memberships. Right? It used to be when the membership programs first started, you could do extra things for the members depending on different levels. That's pretty much gone away. Now it's just donate money to me every month. I'm not doing anything extra for you. Just pay me money every month. I will never, that's why I don't have memberships on my channel. I can't do extra things for people. I can barely do what I'm doing now. So I don't feel like I'm offering you anything anybody else isn't offering you. So how could I charge you for it? I chose what I want to do. I will pay for it. I'm not going to expect you to pay for it. And I have never sent a donation or a super chat to a channel that was asking for them. I see these channels, these people are honest, and I see people that are, they could really use some help with something, but they're not asking for it. You just see it in the background sometimes. Yeah, I'll jump on there with a $25 super chat. Oh man, I learned something from this channel, or I'm really entertained by this channel. I have a lot of fun watching this channel or joining in this particular live stream because the crowd's good and we all exchange ideas and I can learn from that. I'll do a $20 super chat to say, hey, thanks for doing this, but they're not asking for it. So don't fall into the trap of thinking that you're obligated to send any kind of money to anybody. Channels don't need support. People do. If you'd rather sit at home all day long making videos and making live streams and not getting a job, then don't beg people who are working to send you money. Doesn't work like that. That ain't right. But that is all. That's all I had to say about that.